Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titignan natin kung ano yung energies na parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Taurus sa November 16, 2024 at 5:28 a.m. Philippine time. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayong November, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services. Yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Pisces. Especially Pisces risings. Ayan. So, itong full moon in Taurus is happening in your third house of communication, siblings, learning. So, maaring meron kang mga i-consider na mga bagong options or opportunities na matutunan or ma-explore. Lalo na kung nawawalan ka ng gana sa ibang bagay. Let's say, meron kang interest nung mga nakaraang buwan, tapos ngayon, nawawalan ka ng interest doon, and now you are looking for other ways to keep yourself busy or para mas lalo kang maengganyo or maging inspired. Okay? Some of you meron ditong unexpected na inspiration na darating. This can be a new idea or like pwedeng mapapanood mo to, makikita mo, and then biglang mag-spark na yung idea na yon for you, and maaring dun ka mag-focus. Okay? Some of you naman maaring meron kayong mga plans of going to some places, traveling to some places, pero maaring maging challenging para sa iyo na gawin 'yon dahil sa mga magiging mga responsibilities mo or commitment mo. Let's say magiging committed ka sa bago mong project, sa bago mong negosyo, sa bago mong trabaho. And yung mga plans mo, yung mga long-term plans mo, pwedeng maapektuhan yon dahil hindi siya kasama or hindi siya nag-exist noon nung plinano mo yon. Let's say you are planning to travel abroad like a few months ago, pero biglang may bago ka ng trabaho or meron ka ng bagong pinagkakaabalahan na sobra kang interested na ayaw mong magulo magulo yung plano mo. So you might parang pwedeng i-reschedule mo yung iba mong plans. I also see you na learning a lot, like parang meron kang i-explore na belief system or philosophy na parang new perspective sa buhay mo na gusto mong matutunan, you want to dive deeper. Example, stoicism, ganyan, na gusto mong naging interesado ka sa stoicism, you want to live simpler, or let's say you want to be a minimalist, mga ganon. So, sa ngayon, you are going through a phase na kung saan sinusort mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong i-let go at yung mga gusto mong i-explore. Okay? And then, meron tong positive aspects sa yung first house, which is about yourself. You're going to be very creative. You will tap into your abilities, your talents, your skill set. If nasa arts ka, entertainment, creatives, marami kang mga bagong ideas na mabubuo, no, na you might use it or do it, pwedeng gagawin mo siya, and then people will recognize you, especially in your career or kung ano man yung path na tinatahak mo ngayon, whether you have a business or you have a job or a career path na ikaw ay self-employed. So may mga recognition dito. I also see a major change in your dreams, no? So pwedeng may magbabago sa pangarap mo. Let's say for example, dati pangarap mo maging doktor, tapos ngayon pangarap mo nang maging isang magaling na YouTuber or content creator, or you want to become a lawyer. So, it seems na yung interest mo ngayon nadadivert na sa iba, nagbabago because of the experiences that you've had in the past. So, ngayon, you are, kumbaga, parang you are going with the flow. Ina-align mo yung sarili mo ngayon doon sa interest mo. And that will make you shine. Parang you are coming out of your shell. Mas lalo mong nakikita yung kakayanan mo na dati hindi mo napapansin. And you will get recognition from this. Mas ma-appreciate ka of your authenticity, yung pagiging totoo mo about what you really want for your life, what you really want to achieve. I think nasa more on creative side kayo ngayon. It's either being creative or being spiritual for some of you. And also yung public service, no? So, maaring you are doing some things na makakatulong sa ibang tao. Let's say, dati gusto mong maging kung ano man, no? Dati example, gusto mo maging singer. Tapos ngayon, gusto mo nang maging politician or to serve others. Yung mga ganun. So, some drastic changes that you want. You have the Queen of Cups. I feel like you are about to receive a major recognition sa isang bagay na ginagawa mo na gusto mo talagang gawin kasi mahal mo. Hindi lang dahil kumikita ka ng pera doon. So, it's about your passion. You will be rewarded because of your passion. Okay? Whatever you are doing passionately. You also have the King of Swords, which is someone na very logical mag-isip, someone na careful sa mga decision making niya. So, I think pagdating sa pagpili ng landas na tatahakin, iniisip mo rin kung ito ba ay makakatulong sa'yo, ito ba ay practical. You also have the Seven of Wands, so I see you becoming more parang mas protective, no? Protective of yourself. You are also setting boundaries. Hindi mo rin hinahayaan na i-take advantage ka ng ibang tao. Maari ring pinoprotect mo yung energies mo from the people who will try to bring you down. Hindi mo hahayaan na maapektuhan ka ng opinion ng iba. Embrace the flow of life. Yes, you are also going with the flow. Alam mo na you are guided by your instinct, by your intuition, by your dreams, your hopes, your goals, your dreams. So, kumbaga, you're going with the flow. Hindi mo siya nire-resist, pinipigilan yung mga changes na pwedeng mangyari. New Moon in Cancer, so you're also going to relax. Mas marami ka ring time ngayon na makapagpahinga, especially kung medyo naging busy ka nung nakaraan sa maraming projects or maraming ginagawa, no? Maaring magbabakasyon ka rin. Some of you will also have a short travel for vacation. Okay, so that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Good luck.